We're in front of the cathedral here in Jakarta. Huh? That's one of those cathedrals na similar. Huh?
Picture daw.
Yeah.
Turn around.
Bakar na ako. But what I like dito kasi
Turn around daw, picture mo.
okay, dito yung mosque. No? Just facing the mosque.
Okay.
Across the mosque, there's a cathedral. Uh, welcome, you have Selamat Datang. Laki,
Ganda.
no? Malaking population din kasi ng Christian ng although may minority. Pasok tayo dito. Here. Entrance here. The entrance of the Jakarta Cathedral. Now again, just across the Christian or Catholic Cathedral is yung mosque, no? Across the street.
Picture mo daw, Mar.
Napasok tayo. Yeah. Hello. Pasok tayo dito. I think here. Walk through metal detector. Wala naman. Hindi masyado stricto. The entrance. Magano? Ano?
What does it say? Holy water?
Uy, holy water. Mga sinners, pagpasok mo dito, matanggal.
So, it says water.
Uy, matanggal yung sin mo.
Huwag ka mag-joke dito.
Ah, ganun.
Papersecute.
Holy water, no? Ganun.
One of the rules.
Uy, sino to? Who is this saint? Huh? Then the Indonesian logo. The Pankasali here.